A lot of people are scared of AI right now because they think it's here to replace them. But I'm here to tell you something that may change the way you look at AI forever. Welcome to Start What You Love. I'm here to help you get started with whatever it is you love to do. Today's message is plain and simple. AI is not here to make you feel dumb. AI is not even here to replace everybody. Some people may get replaced, but not everybody. Most people are looking at AI the wrong way. Think about it like this. What if you had somebody right beside you helping you write emails, organize ideas, plans, maybe even things to do, even help with your business, also help with resumes, social media, helps you brainstorm. There's a lot of things AI can help you do. Let's be for real. Would this make your life simpler, maybe even easier? This and way more things AI can do. I'm gonna give you a couple examples that you can use right now. You can ask AI to help you write a professional email. You can also ask AI to help you do a business plan. You can also ask AI to help you just organize your normal day. You can also ask AI to help you with your resume. Make it sound more professional. Let it know that all the things you're doing, and it's going to help you find out some things that you didn't even know you were doing. Also, ask AI to help you write a simple social media post. This is a good one. Ask AI to just explain something in simple words. And the craziest thing is, and people still haven't started using AI because they're scared. But I'll tell you something, the people who are going to use AI as a helper and not just be scared are going to move way faster than the people who don't use AI. I'm going to be honest with you. You don't have to be a tech expert overnight. You don't need to use fancy words. You don't even need to know coding. You don't need to understand everything. You just need to take the first step. I'm going to give you an example. Maybe your first step will be just asking AI, hey, AI, help me write a simple text message. That's it. Start there. You don't have to know a whole bunch of stuff, but you do really have to get started. I'm going to tell you something that you really need to know. AI is not here to replace you doing your purpose. It's really here to make you and help you move faster on your purpose. If you want just simple, easy lessons to learn by using AI, comment AI in the description. And if you really are really lost and you need help getting started just learning the basics of AI, there's a link to a 15-minute conversation with me where I help you just get started. You don't have to know everything, you just have to get started. Technology becomes less scary when you stop trying to master everything and just simply focus on taking the next step. I want y'all to have a great rest of the day. If you've enjoyed this video, if you want to see more videos like this, please like, comment, subscribe, even share it out to other people. I want y'all to have a great rest of the day. See you on the next video.